Like a Windy Day by Frank and Devin Ash. I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down hillsides. I want to scatter seeds, turn windmills, fly kites, wave flags, and snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. I want to steal hats, drive clouds and rain, sail boats, and make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her baby soar. I want to blow through green grasses and crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day and fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day until I become like a gentle breeze.